To use a drywall anchor, mark the spot where you want the anchor to go with a pencil. Fit your drill with a bit that's about the same diameter as the anchor you're installing. Hold the drill at a 90-degree angle relative to the wall and keep it steady as you drill the pilot hole for the anchor. If you're using a plastic expansion anchor, simply push it into the pilot hole by hand. You'll need to use a screwdriver or electric drill to screw in a self-drilling anchor. If it's a hollow wall anchor or molly bolt, tap the anchor in with a hammer, then tighten the central screw with a screwdriver. For a toggle bolt, guide the wings through the hole and listen for them to pop open. Then, screw the anchor head firmly into place.